We will cover the details of Pick and Pack Assistant features in a separate chapter dedicated to these topics. In this video, we will cover automatic actions based on the picking and packing process. Baselinker distinguishes between these two activities. That is, there is a separate activity of picking and packing. Let's go to the Orders tab. Automatic Actions. Let's add a new group of actions. Call it Packing/Picking. Click Save. Let's go to the Automatic Actions tab and add our first action. I click Add Automatic Action in Events List. Let's go to the section called Pick Pack Assistant. Here we have all the pick-pack related trigger events. The upper part covers picking events. For example, an order has been reserved, collection has been canceled, order products have been picked, and order booked for packing. Let's look into the option Order products have been picked. Here is what we want to happen. After the order is picked by a particular employee, we want to change the order status to a special status, just this person's first and last name. Let's add the following condition. Employee profile. Now, from the list of employees, let's choose, for example, Tomek Test. After Tomek picks products in the warehouse, we want the status of related orders changed to Collected Tomek. Let's move this automatic action to the Packing/Picking group and save this action. Let's add another one. This time, we will focus on packing. From the list of available events, select Order has been packed. Once the order is packed, we also want to know who packed it, so let's add the condition Employee Profile. Again, let's select Tomek Test. And now when the products are packed, from here we want two things to happen. We want to change the status to packed, and then we want to print the latest label. So let's select the Print Document action. Set Printout as Latest Label. Our printer is already selected. Currently using Samsung printer. Had Tomek's profile its own default printer assigned to it, we would have been able to select it here as Default Profile Printer. In this case, after an order is packed by Tomek, this label would be printed on this specific printer that was assigned to Tomek. If no printer was assigned to Tomek, then we can choose from this list the printer we want. Finally, let's choose our group and click Save.